Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MetaWeb3 token. Ticker symbol is Meta. Now there's been a lot of knockoff Meta tokens out there. Now this is not actually affiliated with Meta. This is not from Meta, Facebook, the Instagram Threads company. This is just a meme token, I guess you could call it. It does look like it has utilities though, but it's just kind of playing off the name of Meta. And just be aware, when you see all these tokens out there with X.com or with Meta or with you name it, any big like SpaceX or any of these big companies, just be aware that these tokens are most likely not affiliated with the actual thing. Even the meme tokens with like say Roger Rabbit or Bugs Bunny or pick any sort of character, Disney character, something like that, they are most likely 99.99999% most likely not affiliated with the actual thing, and they're just meme tokens, homage tokens, I guess. So that's what this is. This token is trending number 9 right now on Pink Sale. They're about to start their pre-sale in less than a day. Ticker symbol is Meta. They have a full audit, KYC. They're on the Binance Smart Chain, and this is going to be a public pre-sale, so you don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. We're going to go over the information on the MetaWeb3 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says the mission of MetaWeb3 is clear: to empower innovation in gaming and artificial intelligence through our dedicated launchpad. We aim to democratize access to decentralized finance, accelerate the growth of gaming and AI projects, nurture vibrant communities, and lead the evolution of GameFi and platforms like launchpads. MetaWeb3 is more than just a launchpad. It's a dynamic ecosystem where ideas flourish, projects thrive, and communities prosper with passionate gaming and AI. So our vision is to be a trailblazer in redefining the landscape of decentralized innovation, particularly in the realms of gaming and artificial intelligence. We aspire to create a future where projects not only launch but thrive, communities are at the heartbeat of success, and GameFi seamlessly integrates with cutting-edge technologies. MetaWeb3 envisions a decentralized ecosystem that goes beyond the conventional, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. So the token info, it says here, the native token of MetaWeb3 serves as the backbone for our ecosystem and is designed to empower, incentivize, and facilitate a seamless experience within the platform. Below, we provide essential information about the MetaWeb3 token. So ticker symbol is Meta. There's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. 30 million tokens go to pre-sale, and 15,300,000 tokens go to liquidity. An initial market cap estimate is $125,000. Now the token metrics here, the distribution of Meta within the MetaWeb3 ecosystem is a critical aspect of our commitment to fairness, transparency, and community inclusivity. This section provides a comprehensive overview of how it will be distributed. So 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 15% goes to liquidity, 12.5% marketing funds, 11.9% development funds, 11.6% central exchange listings, 6.7% platform rewards, 5.9% airdrop, 5.8% staking, and 0.6% goes to the pink sale fee. Which brings me to their pre-sale. So they're having a pre-sale on pinksale.finance that's going to start in under a day. Pre-sale is going to start exactly January 14th at 15 hours UTC time, and it's going to run for 2 days until January 16th, 15:05 UTC time, so 2 days and 5 minutes. It's a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist. Soft cap is 50 BNB, and there is no hard cap. So pre-sale will just continue basically until time runs out. Now on their webpage, on their document section, it said initial market cap estimate was like $125,000, but on pink sale it says $22,400. So just be aware of that difference there. 18 decimal places on this token. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Meta token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, MetaWeb3.finance. That's linked on pink sale here. Now you're going to have to set your slippage around 1% for buys, sells, and maybe transfers, because there is a 1% tax on buys and sells. Now the 1% tax when you buy goes to marketing, and the 1% tax when you sell goes to development. They do have a full token audit that you can review. That is on their pink sale page as well. They were audited by, let's see here, they were audited by Fresh Coins. I believe they said they're getting a CertiK audit too as well in their document section. And they also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to pink sale to verify who they are. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. Now, on their document section, which you can find at docs.metaweb3.finance, they do have information regarding the Launchpad, their locker, their no-risk initial DEX offerings, their GameFi integration, their gaming AI projects, how to apply for an IDO listing. They go over their partners, brand assets, ask us anything. They have links to 2 different Telegrams, Twitter, all that type of stuff you can find on their document section. You can find a lot of links on their pink sale. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here as well, at MetaWeb3 Global. 19 tweets so far, blue verified checkmark, link to their Telegram and their webpage are right there. They have over 7,500 followers. They're doing an airdrop competition too in their pinned tweet, so go check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about the MetaWeb3 token down there in the comment section? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.